Good morning. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduction about myself. My name is Mahesh Magar. I am 28 years old. I am from Bhutan, Nepal. I am married. I have 5 members in my family. My education under SLC. My height 5.3 and weight 60 kg. I am physically fit and fine. I have 6 years of work experience as a factory worker in India and Saudi. Job and duties of factory worker is to loading, unloading goods, storing things, operating heavy machine, counting, packing, check, inventory, delivery, etc. I want to come to Europe country for good future, also to develop my career, earn money to support my family. I am hard working and honest person. Thank you. Thank you.